In a remarkable breakthrough to reshape the landscape of clean energy, Chinese scientists have achieved what was once thought to be impossible. What is that? Well, China's experimental fusion reactor has now managed to maintain its scorching plasma for an unprecedented 17 minutes. Now, this has never happened before. As I mentioned, the temperatures are hotter than the sun's core. Well, our next report explains how this is yet another milestone in humanity's quest for unlimited power.
The sun is a fiery powerhouse. Its immense energy fuels life on Earth. It provides warmth, light, and the energy needed for survival. For billions of years, it has burnt relentlessly, powered by nuclear fusion at its core. This process fuses hydrogen atoms into helium, releasing vast amounts of energy. Now, humanity is trying to replicate this cosmic force here on Earth. As the demands for energy soars, the rush for sustainable and clean energy is intensifying. Fossil fuels pollute the environment and are finite. Renewable sources like wind and solar are promising but limited by nature's whims. The solution lies in nuclear fusion, the holy grail of energy production. China is leading the charge with its experimental advanced superconducting tokamak, often called the artificial sun. In a groundbreaking test, Chinese scientists claim to have sustained plasma temperatures exceeding 100 million degrees Celsius. That's 6 times hotter than the sun's core. Chinese researchers say that they maintained this high temperature for an unprecedented 1,066 seconds. This feat not only broke records but marked a major step towards creating a limitless zero-carbon energy source. Fusion reactors work by mimicking the sun. Hydrogen isotopes are heated to extreme temperatures, forming a superhot plasma, a state of matter where atoms split into charged particles. This plasma is confined in a magnetic field inside a donut-shaped chamber. When the particles collide and fuse, they release energy. Unlike nuclear fission, fusion doesn't produce long-lived radioactive waste, making it a safer, cleaner alternative. While China is setting records, it's not alone. The US, Japan, the UK, and 33 other nations are collaborating on the ITER project in France, which aims to build the world's largest magnetic fusion device. These efforts signal a global race toward harnessing fusion power, a technology that could redefine humanity's energy future. If successful, fusion promises a world of limitless energy, and with it, a cleaner, greener planet.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.